Attention, Starship Signature 3371 Alpha. This is Orion. Do you copy?
I read you, Orion. This is Ratchet. What seems to be the problem?
Space pirates attacked my ship and damaged my gravimetric warp capacitor. I've been trying to repurpose these bits of space junk to repair it, but my tether's too weak. Would you be so kind as to throw a few my way? Thank you, Ratchet. Standing by to receive components. Got it. One more, and I should be able to repair the capacitor. Attention, Starship Signature 3371 Alpha. This is Station Chief Croy. Do you copy?
I copy you, Croy. What can I do for you?
We have a down transport vessel in your quadrant. We've ordered a tow ship to retrieve it, but it's on the other side of the system, and, well, we'd be happy to pay you for hauling it here. What do you say? Thanks, Outsider. We'll sync its position to your nav unit now.
Target acquired. Directive destroy.
Much obliged, Outsider. We'll take it from here.
All right, Chief. Fuck.
Greetings, outsider. I'm conducting an experiment for the Bullard League of Celestial Oddities. How'd you like to chase a comet in the interest of science? I'll pay you for it. Great. The League's trying to develop a new form of energy using rare frozen isotopes. Unfortunately, the only place to get a sample is in the core of a comet. If you can fly into the comet's tail, you should be able to extract a sample of the isotopes. There it is. Isn't she a beauty? Now fly into the tail and get as close to the core as you can. Just be sure to move quickly. You don't want your navigation systems to freeze up from prolonged exposure.
Identified large dark gas areas.
I've never seen anyone fly into a continent and survive before. You're a hero. Of course, I'll have to tell the League I did it was with regulations and you not being a member at all, but here you go.
This is Discobot. Welcome to House of Sins.
General, come in. I just landed in Axiom City. Where are you?
I'm afraid I've run into a bit of trouble. I've had to make a slight adjustment to our plan.
What kind of adjustment?
Attention, citizens. Rogue Lombax Alister Azimuth has been spotted within city limits. Troopers have been mobilized for your protection.
Don't worry, I have a plan. Just get to Nurox Plaza and wait for me to make contact.
Overloading is prohibited here.
Ah!
That's right!
the ultimate defensive weapon. One spike is effective. 2 or more, and they're outright lethal. When some goons approach you, try throwing a few Tesla spikes. Deadly electricity will flow between each spike, destroying nearby enemies and protecting your hive. The more you throw, the more protected you'll be. Tesla spikes, available only at Rubbermaid.
Snoop around, Chief. Step right up! Let's check out the latest weapons.
Oh, it's like high school all over again.
Bravo, sir! You look like you're ready to take on the universe.
Violence never solved anything. Another Lombax? Typical. Who do you think you are? Hover booting over everything in sight like it's your own personal playground. You mean you don't even know where you are? This is Axiom City, home to the most intelligent life forms in the universe. We won Polaris's brainiest race competition 3,000 years in a row. In the market for Zoni technology, are you? Well, I'm afraid they've already signed an exclusive contract with someone else. A doctor, if I recall. You mean the criminal the authorities are looking for? He headed towards the spaceport, hover booting off these transports like a vandal. Another Lombax? Typical.
It's a little squishy. You will give up the Lombax.
I already told you, I haven't seen him!
That hurt us, sire.
Right over the docking station. You did not. Yeah, he was. Did you hear about the Lombax terrorizing the city? Right here, fangs like crazy, and eyes that burn like the lava pits of Ratchet fire. Yes, if it's really. I don't care much for those troopers either, but did that Lombax have to destroy our terminal?
Take some initiative, Gorgabash. All we have to do is reset the system manually.
Who's gonna hop over the defensive grid? You? You couldn't even make the hoverball